Hi guys, my name is Nicole and with me as always is sweet Mabel. Today we're going to talk about ear hair. I am not a vet. You want to make sure to talk to your vet before removing any ear hair, to pull or not to pull. So one way of thinking is that you pull the ear hair and that helps increase airflow, which then decreases the moisture that can get trapped in there, and that can keep it from getting infected. Another school of thinking is that pulling the ear hair can actually irritate the skin, the ear canal, and then the body tries to repair it and it can become infected. So, which one is right? If your dog is prone to ear infections and they do show signs of infection, then it may be time to talk to the vet or your groomer about removing the ear hair. Ear powder. This is the only thing besides your fingers that you're going to need to have. Any brand is fine. I'm not sponsored by anyone. The ear powder that I have is by a company called BioGroom. What do you think? You want to get your ear hair pulled? Okay. One of her ears looks perfectly clean and normal, and there's a little bit of hair, and so I am not going to do that ear. And then her left ear, I've noticed some scratching, and so I am going to go ahead and remove that. She also has a little bit of a mat forming in there, and so I want to get that out of there before it gets worse. I'm going to let her smell the tool that we're using. She likes to do that. It's got a handy little nozzle on here that you can just kind of open up. I'm going to put that little bit of powder in there, no big deal. And then I'm just going to reach in, and at the base of the hair, I'm just going to reach in and I'm going to gently pull. Okay? And about this much hair came out. She's going to want to smell it. Okay? Good girl. Yeah. You may want to lick it, and that's fine. I'm just going to gently pull. And it should come out just like that. Is it painful? I'm gonna say yes. It's like plucking your eyebrows. The ear powder does help with some of the pain. That helps you both get a grip, and it helps kind of loosen that hair at the base. And if the health benefits outweigh by pulling the hair, then you wanna go ahead and do it. Here is that mat that I'm wanting to get. So I'm going to grab that mat. I'm going to pull a little bit of a cry there. Look how long that is. That was down, you saw, I grabbed with my fingers at the base, and then look how much of that ear hair was down in her ear. And this does look like, it's got some wax buildup. It's got a little bit of dirt on it. So I'm really glad that I got that out of there. Yes, you were very good girl. Very good. Don't have to do it all in one session. You can do a little bit at a time. I highly recommend, if you have a puppy, getting them used to this right away. Okay, and then there's her clean ear. That looks so much better. Good girl. Sure. Another option, if you don't want to pull the ears, but you do feel like there's a lot of hair in and around that area, is you can shave that area. You can trim that short. You can do it with scissors, or you can do it with clippers, and you can also have your groomer do that for you if you're feeling nervous about it. There are a lot of nooks and crannies and bumps and things, and so you do need to be careful if you decide to scissor or shave that particular area. Ears that can be infected, you don't want to remove the ear hair yourself. You'll want to make sure that the vet is doing that, because they may actually want to medicate the ear before removing the hair. Signs to look for. Does it smell? Does it look yellow or crusty or swollen or red? Does it have like a dark brown or black discharge? These are all signs of an infected ear. You want to make sure to clean the ears like every other week would be good. When Mabel's chilling like this on my lap, I may grab her little ear and look in there and just make sure that everything's healthy and looking good. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next week. Do we need another take? I think we're good. Yeah. Yes, you did good. Very good. Yes, okay.